Joni, where are we? We're at the bottom of a volcano that has fire in it all the time. It's been here for several thousand years, and it's got snow on top, and it's got a fire going. It's just amazing. We live at the base. How far to the top where the fire is, Joni?
We're 12 kilometers from the top of the volcano, Mount Etna, and 7 kilometers down to the sea.
Yes, that's where we have to go if it starts to blow, right?
Yep, run down the mountain.
Yeah, exactly. Here we go.
Harry.
We live here on Mount Etna, and we've started a little vineyard, which is number 5. Number 4 is the new house that they're building. Number 3 is where Loredana and Rosario live, and number 2 is Piopi, where we usually stay. But now we're staying where?
We're staying at number 1, which is Betula,
Betula.
just above the pool,
Yeah.
with a beautiful view of the Ionian Sea, and it's just gorgeous here.
Look at the sunrise every
Yeah.
day, every morning.
Yes.
And what do? We have coffee.
Yes, we have coffee, watching the sunrise in the morning at Betula.
It's perfecto,
right on the
no?
top of the
Yeah.
top of the farm.
Yeah. Cooking with Loredana, my friend from Sicily. Wonderful chef. And today we're making
Whoa!
today we're making the symbol
Yeah,
Mount
Mount
Etna.
Etna, the
Yes.
volcano, the
Yeah.
never-ending volcano.
So we got black squid on pasta, and on top, what do we put on top of the pasta?
It's like a salty cheese grated on top,
Bl-
and that represents the snow,
Snow.
the symbolism
Yeah.
of the mountain.
Yes, and then
On top we have a red pepper.
that
and
is
that represents the fire,
The fire,
the blowing of
yeah.
the mountain wind.
absolutely
When it
fire. We have to look like this. This is Loredana, my favorite chef, cooking chef friend in Sicily on Mount Etna. She's the queen of Mount Etna. Today, look at this. We're going to make squid and black
sauce.
This is the black sauce from the squid. I am Loredana's sidekick. I have to do all the cleaning around here. So Loredana, I just put in here now to wash all of it. So we have to clean. I am Loredana's fish cleaning man.
Yes, I don't like
No.
wash
She
fish.
doesn't like to touch the
I
fish.
don't like.
She likes to eat the fish, but she doesn't like to touch. So I'm the crazy Canadian she hires to do this. And when she doesn't like to touch the lamb either. So I did. No problem. But today, it's going to be perfecto.
Okay.
Okay, next step. While I'm washing, I give to Loredana.
Yes.
She cuts.
Tagliamo più piccolo.
Yeah. You want to have small pieces, not big ones in this recipe. Right, Loredana? Small.
Perfetto.
Ciao. So from Rosario, this is when we went there yesterday.
Yes.
You stayed in the car, but the rest of me came in. And it was 35 euro, and he always gives me discounts. But he only charged me 30 euro for this. So it's good price. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Wow.
Scrocciolare.
Oh, now we do the, you got, is this olive oil?
Olive oil.
Olive oil first in the pan. And now you're doing the onion, right? How do you say it again in Italian? The onion?
Cipolla.
Cipolla. And this is,
Parsley.
but later. Does this go in now? too?
Prezzemolo.
Prezzemolo? Does it go in now as well?
A
Or you cut?
pezzettine.
Okay. Do I cut all the onions or no?
Onion, yes.
Okay.
Poi mettiamo.
You want it petito or small or big or does it matter?
Small.
Small.
Dobbiamo mettere il peperoncino.
Oh. What's this? Oh, that's the
Red pepper.
Red pepper.
Red pepper
Yes, red pepper.
in the oil.
Yes, into the olive oil. Not too hot. Oh, you got it on already? Yes, okay.
Yes. I have this.
Yes. Now this is a knife. Smaller? More or good?
Un
Keep
un
going?
altro pochino.
Oh, pochino.
Okay, in the oil.
In go the onions. Do you want this now too?
Tutto, sì.
Little small?
Small.
Parsley, small.
Perfetto.
In now?
Chef Harry.
No,
In the-
Loredana, I'm just a sidekick.
Okay. Perfetto.
And then, do we put the squid in right away then?
Yes.
After?
And, e dopo the squid, tomato.
Oh, tomato?
Little
Okay.
tomato. And finish the
Oh.
black.
The black ink. The squid ink, right?
Yes.
Okay. The perfume. Oh,
Meraviglioso.
it is just mind-bogglingly. Oh, look at that. Oh, baby. Okay, Loredana.
Ora dobbiamo mettere le seppie.
Yeah, the squid goes in, yes?
Sì.
See.
Ok.
Oh, look at that. The squid is in. Wow. Oh, fresh squid. Yesterday. Perfect. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Oh, baby. How long do we do this, Loredana? For
The pepper.
the pepper. Do we put lid on or just
No,
like this?
così,
No
così.
lid. Just
No.
like this. Leave now? Perfect.
Dobbiamo lasciare cuocere. Dopo mettiamo dei tomato sauce.
Yes, this stays like this for about, I don't know, 5 minutes.
Tomato sauce datterino.
This tomato sauce?
Tomato
Is her
sauce
favorite, is it?
datterino di Vittoria.
It's her favorite.
In Sicily.
This is
Vittoria.
Sicily's favorite. And Loredana makes it by
Very
herself.
sweet.
Very sweet?
Very sweet. Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Perfect. This is unbelievable. This is why we come to Sicily all the time. And you just stir this in, and it's just getting even. It's just starting to get even. A little bit brown. Look at that. Oh, baby, that's good. Okay, Loredana, it's time for the tomato juice. Tomato
Sì,
sauce.
tomato sauce datterino di Vittoria.
And it's 100% pomodoro.
Pomodoro.
Which is
Only
pomodoro, of course, is tomato. And pomodoro is Italiano. Tomato Canadiano.
Si chiama pomodoro datterino di Vittoria.
And that is
Sicily.
And Sicily, yes. Duh.
Ok.
And that is look at that. Oh, see, the tomato sauce went in. Oh, baby, it even looks fantastic. Then, okay,
Ora mettiamo il sale.
and a little bit of salt. And not a lot of salt, just a pinch of salt. So
Ora
now
rimescoli.
we keep stirring, yes?
Yes. Facciamo cuocere con la salsa e poi mettiamo il nero.
I like that flavor of the tomato sauce. Oh.
Più gustoso, più ammaliante.
So when your mother, did your mother make this?
Yes.
Did she cut small pieces too?
Yes.
And then because it has more flavor, and you don't want to have big pieces in your in the plate, no?
Yes.
Yeah. And the sauce. Did your mother make her own sauce, or
Sauce.
she made her own
Yes,
sauce? Yeah.
sì, sì.
You
E io
buy.
anche.
Loredana,
Come la mamma, come
Loredana,
la mamma.
not Sicilian.
Only Sicilian.
Ah.
Only. Un po' qualcosa veneta perché mia nonna era veneta.
So this is quicker.
Ora facciamo
Yeah.
cuocere un pochino.
Yeah, look. Now on goes the lid. How long are we going
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
E poi mettiamo il nero.
Oh, and then we clean this. This is black ink. This comes right out of these squids. Oh, And you don't want to put too much, right? Just poco, right?
Sì, sì, sì.
See, and because it's so strong. Then 5 minutes, and then we gotta make later on we make the pasta for
Poi
when we have-
mettiamo le linguine.
Yeah.
Facciamo spaghetti, non spaghetti, facciamo linguine.
Linguine.
O come le chiamiamo queste?
Yes, it's the bigger one. Yes.
Linguine
Linguine. Yes.
con Nero di Seppia. Questa volta no spaghetti.
No.
New.
Linguine.
New.
Yes.
Linguine.
Yeah. Perfecto. This is always the great.
Chef taste.
My friend Loredana, she teaches me everything. Now look, this is the great part.
The chef tasting. Good?
Not Loredana's best. No, it's superb. Fantastic.
Ci vuole un altro
Loredana?
po' di peperoncino? Perfetto.
Yeah, no, you don't need more salt, nothing. It's just perfect.
Perfetto.
Yes, it's perfecto.
Siamo un team.
Yeah. Oh,
The
yes.
team
uh,
Harry and Loredana
yeah, team.
from Sicily.
Yes. They're trying to make me a Sicilian.
Sicilian, yes.
I'm almost there. One at a time. Just one.
Ok, ora
Ok.
vediamo, vediamo.
Oh, you put the whole. Oh, look how black. And Nero. It's called Nero.
Nero.
Nero. Black. Oh.
Nero di Seppia.
And it is so. This black ink makes everything so amazingly tasty. No? Look. 100%, right?
Ora lui deve cuocere un po',
Now, how long? Maybe
Sì,
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
About 5 minutes. Everything in Sicily is about 5 minutes. You gotta see this up close. Look at it. Oh, baby. And the pasta goes into
Linguine.
linguine. Pasta though. Linguine is pasta, no?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's linguine pasta. Yeah, you're right. And in Sicily, you have to be careful what you say because everything has a certain meaning to it. Ciao. On goes the water
Yes.
for the linguine.
Yes.
When do you want to turn it on? When do you put later? We're going to eat later? No? What time? You want to eat now or?
No.
No. 12:30, yes?
Il momento
Yeah, but
in
wait.
cui si mangia, mettiamo giù la pasta,
Yeah.
si salta e a posto.
Okay. So we wait till, what time is it now?
Ora sono ancora le 10:30.
10:30.
10:30?
Guarda,
Oh, yeah.
ragazzo, qua c'è un capolavoro.
Eh?
Shh.
Cosa è successo?
C'è un capolavoro,
Qui.
questa pasta.
Bellissima.
Orazio.
Wow.
Orazio. Come.
Vuoi assaggiare?
That's bello, guarda.
But you see, I need your face in there. Wow. Orazio. You need to, isn't that great?
Wow, that's great. Awesome.
Oh, awesome. So we're just prepping everything, and then
Peperoncino?
Messo.
and then we're going to eat at 12:30.
Good.
Is that better than good, Orazio?
Better than best.
Better than best. Perfect.
The Chef Harry
Oh yes, perfect.
from Sicily. No,
Yes.
Canada, from Sicily.
Yes, from up on Mount Etna. Maybe I forgot to introduce you to the king of Mount Etna, which is Orazio. Here, she's my friend right here. Just come, bend down a little bit for the camera. Oh yes. We're doing the
Ricotta.
ricotta cheese. This is not the soft. This is sort of the.
White ricotta salad. È molto salata. No, salted. No salad. Salted.
And this
Salted
This of course
ricotta.
goes on top. This is going to go on top of the. This is the snow.
Okay, on top of the squid.
on
So
top of the squid.
so
and then
black,
on top of
white,
that,
and-
a little red pepper, right? For the fire.
yes, of course. All very symbolic.
Yes.
Lui si riscalda. Vado.
They don't. We've already made this here.
Right.
And we've got the black. Not boiling like all get up. Ah, the full pot. Oh, perfect. Okay.
Boy.
Pasticcio.
Good?
Perfetto.
Perfecto, yes, exactly. And then we're gonna put, now this is warming up. We did this earlier this morning.
Correct.
And then we'll, maybe 15 minutes we're ready.
Yeah.
No white wine?
Yes.
Sì, ora lo prendo white wine.
Belgian beer, dark,
Belgian
beautiful,
beer.
beautiful.
Belgian beer.
And
No, avete messo la pasta?
you're gonna have some Belgian beer, what's your or what?
I'll taste some.
Sure, sure.
Fai un po' a vita.
Looks good.
Amazing beer.
Saresta.
Saresti.
Guarda, proprio.
Orazio,
No, era tutto, compare.
No, eh?
I'm gonna have some of that white wine.
yes. Oh, I poured you a beer.
Oh, no, thanks.
Okay, I'll have it. I'll have 2 beer then.
Allora,
Where's that
Well,
white?
no,
Where is
no,
the
she
white
has her own beer.
wine?
I have.
in the middle of the night.
Oh.
Oh. Black as night. Black as night.
She's wearing black.
Loredana is
That's
black as night.
That's a good idea. Yep.
Does that look any good, eh, John?
Ooh, that looks so good.
Very, very good.
Oh.
Very, very nice. Very, very.
Do the dance.
It's very.
Ciccione.
This is diet food, no?
Yes.
Yeah, good diet food.
Good.
Good, very good diet food.
Very good.
Yes.
Mamma mia. Andiamo a pulire il piano.
The snow on the mountain
Yes.
and the fire on the tip.
Yes.
The snow on the mountain
And
and
a red pepper for fire.
oh,
Orazio, just for you.